darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone narrow streets of cobblestone, near the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the golden dawn, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. If we say hi, you do not know. Silence like a council crows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my hands that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sunset south is warning in the walls that I was forming. And the sun said the word of the prophets are written on the subway walls and day-long halls, and whispering in the sound of silence. Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the visions that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.